Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at here guys. Wow! Today in yellow color mud. Wow! Wow! It's so fantastic mud. Wow! In this video, some kind of dinosaur and then home bird, home animals, and then yes, this hammer, and then dinosaur face, tennis bat, haunted house, and also yes, archer. Wow, I like this yellow color mud. It's so cool. Okay guys, let's go and washing these toys. Come on friends. Yes, guys, this is a house. Wow, it's a pink and violet color house. Wow. The next one, yes, this is orchard. Wow. Look at this, guys. I like to play this orchard. The next one, yes, guys, this is dinosaur face, big one. Yes, this is Papa toy. Wow. The next one, yes, this hammer. Wow. Look at this, guys. It looks awesome. Wow. The next one. Yes. This is a tennis bat. I like to play this game from these toys. Wow. The next one. Yes. This is another tennis bat. Wow. The next one, yes, big face dinosaur. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, how wonderful this toys. Look at this. Wow. The next one, yes, this is a dipladocus. Wow. The next one, yes, this is a big T-Rex dino. Wow, look, so terrific dino T-Rex. Ho ho ho.
During its original tenure.
The next one, yes, this is home bird, ayam. Wow, look at this, guys. It's look, wow. The next one, yes, this is a sea animal. Yes, guys, you are right. This is a starfish. The next one, yes, this is dino. Yes, triceraptos. Look at this, guys. Wow. The next one, yes guys, this is bicycle. Wow, it's a brown color and then green color tire bicycle. Wow, I like to drive this bicycle very much. Okay guys, let's go to the next one. Yes, this is another ayam, homebird, cockroach, rooster. Wow! Look at the water, guys. It's so chill and cool. Wow! Look at the next one. Yes, red color dino, jumping dino. Wow! The next one, yes, this is also a dino in small size. Wow, look at this guys, it's very small. The next one, yes, this is a donkey. Wow. It's look fantastic. Donkey. The next one, yes, this is flying dino. Yes, guys, pterodactyl dinosaur. It's flying using its wings. Wow. The next one, yes, guys, this is a allosaurus. Wow. Look at it, guys. It's so cool and so hard. Allosaurus. Wow, this is next to dino. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, it's look awesome, dino. The next one, yes, guys, home animal, Sabi. Wow, mama cow. The next one, yes, this is another dino. Wow, it's run. Hey, wow, this is the pink colored dino. The next one, yes, this is another blue colored dino. Okay guys, that's it this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Okay guys, see you in next video. Bye bye. Tata.